my search for the best and the fastest internet or Wi-Fi connection I could get, one of the topics, and the only topic really that I'm actually going to focus on for myself as an antenna engineer, is obviously the antenna. Starting off with the most basic one, the dipole antenna. So this is just one that is coming standard with the Alpha NH or NH8 type products. Nice 2.4 gig antenna, 2 dB omni. So it basically, it radiates all around. So if you look at it from the top, it would go in a circle all around. And that's good. It's with a good system. That's a good antenna. It's kind of solid and simple, and it's readily available. Now the flip side, there's many alternative antennas as well, but the one that's obviously a big favorite online and for myself as well is, if you look at the full name, Yagi Uda antenna, which is the two Japanese inventors. In 1926 it was patented. The thing with a Yagi antenna, it is directional, so you have this much energy. Instead of having this energy going all around, you basically force this energy to go forward. That's two things actually that's really good about the antenna. It pushes all the energy forward, but it also takes from the back. So in the direction you don't want to go, there's not much happening, and then in the direction you want to go, that's where all the action is going. It's a passive device, meaning that you're not adding more value in all directions. You take this bubble of energy that you have and you push it forward. Now, what does RF Shop offer as a 2.4 gig? I'm focusing on 2.4 in this video. Our big family. So having a bit of fun here, and there it is. You can see it's huge. This is the beast. So I named them according to my fun factor. So obviously the big one, the beast, is 800mm long, 18 dB gain. It works. This is so cool, and I'll show you the video just now. It goes 18 dBi. So if you have an RSSI of a certain value, in my video I think it was -70 or so, put this thing on and suddenly the RSSI increases back to minus 50, 52 or 53 or so. So it's just amazing. Obviously it's highly specialized. You can't use this in every application, because first of all it's quite clunky, so you have to install it in a specific situation where you know that's the direction I'm going to go, and that is all I want to do, is just have range. So this one would work really well with that. The baby one, the shorter one, it's more of a nice decent gain antenna. It's 8 dBi gain, so it still has a very good performance in that specific direction. Much broader, so you're not going into the spin point direction. And then the call it the big mama. No, it's still a big antenna, 16 dBi gain. And that is also for specific point-to-point or long-distance Wi-Fi links that you want to create. Bit of fun factor. Don't know how many would actually buy this specific model, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to show this, because if I can't get my 5 or 8 kilometers with this system, I don't know what's going to. Because definitely for those long range, you can't go with a dipole. You have to go for something else. Let's have a look. So what I have is Alpha connected to its dipole. It's reading at -69, -70 dBm. And I'm going to try my beast, see what happens. So you'll be with me to see it for the first time. Let's go. You should see this. Oh, okay. -51. How good is that? Look at this, look at this. I have to show this. Man, this is so cool. I'll take a photo now. This is happy, man. Daddy, this beast is beautiful. This is so cool.